What's behind me? A brand new 2025 East to West Entrada 2200 S Class C motorhome with a slide out, only for $79,900. Now this is not a strip model. This is a loaded one. I'm gonna show you all the features outside, inside, to prove for you it's a loaded with extra option, high quality, and the best deal you could find in the state of California. Number one, the chassis is an Ford. A lot of motorhome outside, they're on a Chevy chassis. The Chevy chassis has less towing, torque, and cost less. This has a good torque E350 chassis Ford, and is very well known in the market. Now, another advantage, this has a front cap, and some of them, they don't have a front cap, or if they give you a front cap, is not painted. This has a front cap, aerodynamic, one piece, and painted. This is not decal. This is a full paint on the cap, and it make it like a sealed on the front, so you don't have to worry about water leak in the front cap. Another advantage on this unit has 3 cameras. There's one on the passenger side here, one on the other side for the driver's side, as well one on the rear. So it has 3 cameras rather just one. Power awning with LED light. There's a solar panel on the roof. Some other, they don't provide solar panel. This particular unit has a solar panel with a 30 amp solar panel and controllers, and it's included with it. A major thing on the side walls, it has the Asdel fiberglass, so there's no delaminations whatsoever like some other brands. So this is a big deal. So it has the Asdel fiberglass. Outside TV hookup, so you have a coax cable and a 110 right there. And when we're coming in the back, as you see, they provide you with that backup camera. So right there's a backup camera. They provide you with a ladder. Some other brand, they give you just Leopard expandable ladder hookup, and they don't provide ladder. So this one, it has physically ladder. Physically, it comes with a camera and a class 3 hitch in the back, and you could pull up to 7,500 pound towing capacity back there. A bedroom slide with the slide toppers that will protect your slide from any waters, any outside element. As you see, here's the hookup. They give you nice LED light outside. Has tankless hot water heater, endless hot water heater, outside sprayer, sandy flush, city water connections, storage compartment underneath, and you have a big propane tank standard. As well, you have the Yamaha generators, and it's also certified for state of California, so you don't have to worry about carb situation. E350 with the mirrors, as you see. So this is the main features outside on the Entrada East to West 2200. Let's go inside and show you all the inside features. As we entering the 2200S, one thing is I really like, it's the step is so low, it's easy. So for elderly people, you have no issue. It's easy to get in, and there's 2 step, and they have the rubber mount. So, and then there's a big grab handles, so it's easy to get in on this motorhome comparing to the others. Now, over here is what you're gonna see. We have a nice dinette crossing the kitchen. The dinette on this one, again, another features. Look, guys, there's no post, so it's a free for my knees. I don't hit nothing, and it's easy to drop this one to make a bed. So this table drop to this edges, and this become one bed. Plus, they're giving you a doors, so 24-inch deep dinette doors, and both sides with self-closing. So you could see the power cord, the curtains, and it's easy to get in. Now, and also you have a 12-volt USB ports underneath here, and 110. So if you want to plug in a laptop or iPad while you're driving, you want to play with some kids sitting here playing with the iPad. This has extra large panorama window, as you see right here. Look how big the windows. Here's the USB plug, 110 plug. So this is one of the major features on this unit. Across from it, I have a full kitchen. So I have a place for my silverware. and you can see open a nice 3-burner range with light and a convection microwave. There's a place also for more cooking pans, trays, and then you have the nice oval shaped sink with a spray faucet, extension, countertop, so you have a nice prep area while you're cooking. On the left side of the sink you have a light with a hood and a fan, and you could see it's very self-contained unit. Then it's come on the fridge. We have residential 12-volt reefer. The nice thing about this fridge is open both way, and I could open it any side I want with a freezer. So it has dual swing doors and a big freezer. Coming over here we have big hanging closets. We have soft closing doors. You can see, look, it closes by itself for socks and underwears and so on. And then we have a solid separations between the kitchen, dining, and the bedroom. And then over here we have a really nice queen size bed. The nice thing about this queen size bed is fold and close when you are traveling. I like about this bed, look, I could walk around the bed, I could fix the bed, it's easier and I don't have problem. You have another place here with the TV bracket. If you decide to add the second TV, already come with a bigger TV, 40-inch TV, smart TV in the front. But if you want to add the second, it's already prepped for you with a place for the bracket and the hookup. Come with a 4G Wi-Fi antenna. It's already in the top, so if you decide to activate it, we could install the router here for you. And then we have a nice big sink with a medicine cabinet, more towels, storage, endless hot water here, solid door between, let me just open it, between the bathroom and the bedroom. And it has really nice standing shower. Look how high, no issue. Privacy for the shower. Very plenty room for the knees. And again, this is a porcelain toilet, not a plastic toilet. So this is the 2200. Now coming over here, we have cross panelization windows. Some brands, they give you only one window. This brand has window on the right, window on the left, 40-inch smart TV on a swing, and this is a 12-volt TV, so I don't need to run the generator to watch my TV. And it has nice finishing on the cap, so you could see the bed come with a ladder. There's a plug here for USB, so you could lay down this way and plug your laptop or iPad, cup holders, and so on, and you could sleep. 2 people here, 2 full adult, 1 to 2 kids, is depending on their size, and 2 adults in the back. So minimum, I could, full adult wise, I could sleep 5. With kids, I could do up to 6. And the beauty about it, this is on a Ford chassis, so you have a plenty power to tow a boat, jet skis, a car, horse trailers. Some people they do. In the front, so it has the normal cloth Ford truck chassis, airbags. You have a nice stereos with the CarPlay and Android Play for Apple Play. And then again, the 3 cameras is right here. So if you notice, if I go reverse on this to prove for you, voila, I could see the camera. And again, if I do D and I go right turn, I'm seeing the right side. If I'm going left turn, I'm seeing the left side. And again, it's a full stereo. And I could do home, radio, XM, Bluetooth, USB, rear cameras, and so on. So it's a full E350 chassis, and there's a plugs for cell phone, AC, and power windows and power doors. So this is the beautiful 2200S. Come to Best RV and we got you the best deal at a 2200S from Best RV in Entrada, California, with no any hidden fees. Free get ready package, free dealer prep, free walkthrough, free orientations. All you pay is $79.99 plus sales tax and license. Come in and grab the key.